got an order from Mountain Crest, so let's see what's in my plant mail. Okay, so I have most of the styrofoam and the paper thing out. And I think I might have pulled some of the plants out when I was unboxing, but I ordered a this is one tray of 25. Oh, this is a really big tray. Let's see what's in this one. I spilled some of the dirt and stuff on accident. Oh my gosh, you guys, they sent me Frizzle Sizzle. This is like a really rare one. It's crazy. Right. So it's kind of messy, but here is a 50 pack, and it's got an assortment of looks like hens and chicks, and some jelly beans, some Echeveria,